Hey everybody, Jeff here. I am headed out to Mesa right now to go get a snake that is under a yard box or something like that. I gotta hurry because they don't see it right now, and I gotta get there as soon as possible to increase my chances of seeing it. Hello, you want me to come around?
No, come in.
Okay. Okay, where is it at?
This black box here.
Black one? Okay.
It's got a small gap under it. And I lifted it up from here.
Okay.
And my wife thought she saw the snake underneath.
Oh. Oh, it's a lizard.
Yeah. Okay. That's it?
Yeah,
Nothing
I see
else?
him. Nope.
Alright, well,
It's okay.
while you're here.
Better be safe than sorry, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
While you're here,
Well, let's walk around here. All right, well, false alarm, but it's better safe than sorry. Now I'm headed way down to Florence to another call where someone has said that they're seeing rattlesnakes by their porch frequently. Like, they don't see the snake now, but they've been seeing it a couple times. So, but I'm headed there now.
All right, I am heading out to somewhere in Cave Creek. Don't know the situation. I just got a notification that I got a call. So heading that way and we'll find out what it is. I gotta work on this driveway. Hi, how you doing?
Good, how you doing?
Doing all right? I can tell right away there's really no reason for a snake to be in your yard. It's
Yeah.
no place to hide. He's just kind of. So after I catch it, I'll take a look around, see if I can see if there's any other issues or anything to be concerned with here.
Pretty good size.
Yeah, it is. It's about as big as you're going to see around here.
Yeah, you guys
It's a big male, so they're just making these big wide arcs right now. So they're not even necessarily attracted to something. They're looking for females and that kind of thing. So it's a more of a random encounter rather than, you know, it wants to be here for something.
make a loop and get out here.
Yeah, pretty much. It would probably go, but you know, it means there's probably some others in the area, but not necessarily something that you need to worry about. So this snake actually got really lucky. I mean, being in that neighborhood like that, it was kind of a matter of time before it gets killed or hit by a car or something. There's really no way that that was going to be sustainable for the animal forever, and it's not going to just leave. It doesn't know what to do. It's not like they're in the neighborhoods because they choose to. They were there and then suddenly there was a neighborhood. So I guess it's best for everybody here. The snake gets to get out of that situation where there really was no good habitat around and move it not even all that far to a place where there's lots of habitat and it's not going to be developed. So it really works out good. Pack rat nest. Actually, I'm ignoring me. Wait, no, there's a hole here. Yeah, this will be good. So here we have a pack rat nest. It's pretty old, but there's lots of holes that go underneath this tree too, so it's gonna work for our purposes here. Not very hot today. So let's spend a little bit of time with this snake. Good sized adult western diamondback. Typical adult size for the area. It is a male. He's got that long tail. Oh, I'm sorry. Let's see if we can get to crawl over there by itself. It doesn't seem all that worried about me. Actually, go that way. There you go. I think this is the thing that a lot of people that get upset with us about not being scared of snakes. I mean, what a thing to be scared, upset with somebody about. Anyway, is that they don't see how much time we spend doing exactly this, where there is a, a rattlesnake out. It's doing its thing. It is defensive and clearly nothing to worry about. So we definitely get our time in with these guys. So look how quickly he disappears into this grass. As soon as he smelled something on that stick, he stopped acting defensive and started twitching his head and doing the type of motion that is normally associated with tracking another snake. Interesting, maybe he just picked up a trail that he can use to go hide in a hole here. Who knows? Just invisible in there. I'm gonna back off. Keep an eye out to make sure it goes into a hole before I leave, but yeah, the snake's gonna be just fine here.
How's it going?
So I was out here yesterday, and down under here, you see down here there's a bunch of feathers right there.
Uh-huh.
To the left of that's kind of a hole, and a snake went straight down that hole. And I'm like, yeah.
Okay, and now do you know if it was a rattlesnake or not?
I'm pretty sure it was a rattlesnake.
Okay.
The section that I saw of it was at least this long. I didn't went to grab my phone to show my brother, like, hey, we gotta go look at this. And when I came back out, all I saw were kind of like the rings on the tail going down. So
Black and white rings?
Yeah.
With a rattle on it?
Uh-huh.
Okay, got it. No snake yet, but I do believe I found, those are some definite tracks. Fiona, it's kind of spooky in here. We didn't play no games. There's a cat. All right, well, no dice on that one, so that's 0 for 2 for snakes on calls today. Just kind of, that's the way it works sometimes. But I'm actually going to come back. This property is really snaky, and I kind of have made it like a personal mission to find something here. I bet if I wandered around at nighttime, I could probably see something. Those snake tracks are there. It's active. There's plants that are being watered. I really think that I can find the resident diamondback, is what it looks like, and get rid of it for him. So one of these nights I'll come back and I will take you with me. All right, well, a couple days have passed and I'm gonna go back to that property over in Florence to see if I can find anything. Based off of the tracks and the habitat that is right there in the property, I have reason to believe that there's probably a fair amount of snakes that are at least passing through. So I didn't really get to inspect it at the best time of day when I was there last time, so coming just after dark may prove to find some snakes. All right, I just talked with the homeowner and I'm clear to walk around the property. I'm very interested in what's gonna happen here. No shit. Well, look at that, it happened. We got ourselves a large resident diamondback. Oh, sorry. I'm very excited about this because it worked out. Came back a couple nights later and I found what was likely the resident that they saw on the porch the other day. Wow. Cool. Look around for a minute, but that's good. Man, I can't tell you how good that feels. So I think in any field, any hobby, any profession, when you get to a point where you can start acting off of hunches like that and then it comes to fruition, I don't think there's a better feeling than that. And I don't think that's unique to me. I think anybody can get that in any profession or any field, but man, that's good stuff. Wow. Time to let them know. Well, I found it.
Oh, you did?
I did find it.
Where was it?
It was way back over on the back of the property, all wandering around. You want to see it?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm like, I don't want to.
No, it's okay. No, it's all right. I won't let it get out or anything.
Oh,
Yep. Come see it.
It's not going to lunge at us, right?
No.
I'm all.
Yeah.
Oh, he's beautiful.
I swear there was one bigger than this too.
Well, I would very much venture that, you know, you have a couple passing through. But what I wanted to do, just all the time because you live out in the desert, right? But what I wanted to do by coming back is just to kind of see if you had a resident that was by the house.
Is he
Well,
a
that's
resident?
what I was kind of.
You know, he could be. There's a good chance that he is.
And it was back here by the fence in the back here, you said?
Yeah, so you know how you have that little wash going through the back right there? So they like to use those as little, because they're like little rodent and lizard highways, and they'll post up in ambush.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, now to find a pack rat nest or something of the like. It is a very nice, mild night tonight, so a lot of diamondbacks out here, a lot of Mojave rattlesnakes out here. Sidewinders, unfortunately got a dead one on the way out here on the road. Let's just not step on another one. How about a lot of good stuff. Oh, perfect. All right, here we go. Woo! Come here. Very gentle, very gentle. Right here in this pack rat nest. Habitat is very similar to the one that she was in on that property. Looks like she's kind of in a defensive position here, but that's good. There's a lot of good things over here. Pack rat nests. There's a wash. There's a whole line of dense vegetation. Really good habitat for this rattlesnake to spend the rest of its life here. So good and happy about that. All right, see you later, dude. Hey, look at that, a little surprise. A little tiny baby Gila monster. Look how big that is in comparison to my hand. That's tiny. Looks like it's getting off the road, so that's good. Wow. Wow, that's a good way to end the night, that's for sure. Sweet.